Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm gonna be doing a what's on my iPhone video. So yeah, I got a new phone, so and I made an unboxing video before. No, yeah, I made an unboxing video the day it got here, but it was late at night because I got home from work late and I was in a rush for some reason and I was kind of quiet, so it's mediocre, but let's just get to it, guys. Also, I'm gonna give a disclaimer, you guys. I'm okay, but I mean it though. I'm not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. I'm kind of like buying this with my own money, and with the help of Verizon's trade in your phone policy thing. I think I'm very lucky to have it because my old phone was giving out on me. So let's just move on to this unboxing. Hey guys, so I don't know if I'm actually gonna post I don't know if I'm actually gonna post this or not, but I just want to record it just for, I don't know, just for funsies. So I got the iPhone, what is it, the 12 Pro Max. I'm really excited because I have the iPhone X right now. I got it before my senior year, like June before my senior year. And about this is that the charger, like, you have to charge it in a certain angle. The phone thing, the mic right here doesn't work, so I can't talk on the phone like this. I have to talk on the speaker like that. The bottom, the speaker doesn't work when the music is playing, so it's only from the bottom speaker, so it's like not really that loud. There's more, it's little stuff like that. So I'll be opening this, so pretty excited. I was gonna get the black one, like I kind of wanted to get the black one, but I was like, no, the gold one's kind of cool. Like, I never had a gold phone. I mean, I have had a gold phone, but it's been since my freshman year, so yeah. What the heck? This is big. What the heck? Oh no, I'm kidding. I'm overreacting. See, I'm really excited because now that I have a job, I can, like, you know, like, buy my own stuff. I mean, I've had my job since the end of June, but like now that like I'm continuing like to make money and stuff, I'm just like excited because like I can like buy my own stuff. So I really wanted it. I was gonna buy the iPhone 11 Pro Max before the 12 came out, but I'm so glad that I waited. So yeah, I'm really excited, you guys. So I have this case. Oh, hold on, I didn't even do the thing that everybody's been. What is it? What's the commotion about? It's about this. I mean, it's not as satisfying as it does seem, like as it seems on the videos, but it's still pretty cool. So I'm gonna put my glass protector on. Hopefully I do it right, you guys, because I'm kind of in. See, I just got home and it's only 9:38, and my camera's about to die, so I'm just gonna do this as fast as I can. But how do I do this? I should have read the directions. Is there directions? You guys, I'm so confused. I don't know what this is for. What? It should have came with instructions, you guys. I don't know why it didn't come with instructions. But I'm just gonna do it, you guys. I'm just gonna go for it. But yeah, so I'm pretty excited, you guys. Guide sticker is not showing me how to do this, so I'm just gonna. No, I messed up. Wait, that's not that bad. That's hashtag cap, you guys. I didn't really mess up. I just like kind of put it over the edge just a little bit, but it's not that big of a deal. Like, it's still gonna be usable. There's no bubbles either. I mean, there's this one, but like it's gonna come out. Never mind, there is bubbles. But you know what? I'm not gonna fret. Like, it's still gonna protect it. Yeah, I don't really care. I mean, I do care, but like the phone is still usable, so yeah, it's literally just like these tiny holes. I don't think holes. air bubbles, so I don't think it's like noticeable. But now I'm gonna put the case on, so it's just a clear case. Oh, I also like how it's like matte on the back. It's like, I don't know, it's pretty cool. So I'm putting the case on. Dang, these cases are hard to get on this, guys. Oh, never mind. I guess I did kind of mess up on the screen protector, but this is it compared to my old phone. That's crazy. Hey, what's up, you guys? So now that we're done with the unboxing, let's just move on to the what's on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay, so this is what my iPhone looks like now. It's got this Hunter x Hunter case on it, a clear one. I was using this one before, this clear case, and I really like it because it's bulky. So yeah, this is my phone. It's the gold one. I was gonna get the black one, but I don't know, the gold one just seemed really nice at the store, so I was like, I want to get the gold one. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so this is my wallpaper, you guys. It's 956, as you can see. My wallpaper has gone from Hunter x Hunter, my favorite show, and he's my favorite character, and oh shoot, it keeps on locking up. Okay, yeah, so let's get back onto it. So it's a live wallpaper. So yeah, it's really cool. So let's get to my homepage. So we got my first, I don't know what to call it. I don't know what to call it, but my first slide. So we got the clock, battery, we got the weather, we got the calendar, we got my mail app. I don't know how to clear my mail, you guys. Like, it just adds up and adds up and adds up. That's probably why I ran out of storage so fast on my old phone. And then I got my calendar, photos, camera, maps, clock, wallet, iTunes store. Oops, my dad's calling me. Okay, so moving on to the page after the one I just went over, we got weather, news, translate, notes, reminders, stocks, TV, books, app store. Gotta update those apps sometime. We got home, health, settings, docs, Kaiser Permanente. We got shortcuts, guitar tuna. Guitar tuna is like to tune my guitar. Duolingo. I do be using that sometimes. We got WhatsApp, Among Us. This game, you guys, this game. My friend Raina and I play all the time. And all these people keep on getting mad at us because we'd be like, why is Red's name Red on my phone? We'd be tweaking like that sometimes. Like, we weren't hackers, but people would just get mad at us a lot. Then we got Twitch, Apple Watch, we got fitness, Exodus 90, we got Apple Store, Clips, Google Duo, FaceTime, calculator, podcasts. We got extras. So in the extras, I got Compass, tips, voice memos, contacts, Find My, and Shazam. Then we got lifestyle. I got Bible and this other app. It's like a praying app. I got YouTube. I got media. I got Facebook and Messenger right now. And then on my photo and video folder, I have Fonto, Visco, iMovie, YouTube Studio, VLLO. I got Huji and Pixart. And then I got the measuring app. I got GroupMe, Spotify, ValleyBurst, my bank, the bank I go to. We got Amazon Entertainment. So in the entertainment box, I got Crunchyroll, Hulu, and Netflix. I don't really use Netflix that much, and I did use Crunchyroll a lot. Like, in June, yeah, because that's when I watched Hunter x Hunter, and I watched it and I finished it. But I mostly use Hulu now to watch Sailor Moon, because like that's like the show that I've been watching a lot. You guys, Sailor Moon's really good. Yeah, it's just, yeah, words can't explain. It's just really good. But yeah, it's pretty epic, you guys. I recommend it. And then I got Discord, Counter. It's for my work. We have to count the amount of customers in the store sometimes. We got Uber Eats, GarageBand, Keynote, Photomath. We got Root, like that's like to track my packages. We got TikTok, Canon Connect, Waze, guitar tabs. That's like to learn chords and like the different music that I play on the guitar. Then we got Band, SoundCloud, productivity. So I got Gmail and Crowdcast. And then we got reports, followers. That's like to check like who unfollowed me on Instagram, but like I don't really use it that much. We got Save Mart because we're very proud of you guys. Shout out Save Mart Squad. We got Hallo, Numbers, Pages, Venmo, Yelp, Google Photos, Zoom, Instagram, and Snapchat. And then I just like, yeah, I didn't customize my phone or anything. I kind of want to now that I think of it, but I haven't customized it. I don't know what the app is to customize your home screen, so if you guys know it, just please comment down below. Don't be shy. I don't know if I did this right, you guys, but that's pretty much what's on my iPhone. It was nice to have something to record a video about because I haven't uploaded any videos since May, but I've been wanting to upload more videos, but like I was just like, I don't have anything to record. That's my TED Talk, you guys. I hope this video was somewhat interesting because I don't know if I did it right, you guys, but yeah, gotta go.